Now we want to install HANA database. Same already terminal is connected. Terminal is connected to the HANA database. Okay, here before installing HANA database, first of all, what we want to do is we want to set one proper computer name to that system. We want to set one proper computer name. Present, here type host name in small letters, type host name and press enter key. They display your system computer name. What is the use of that command host name is when you type host name command and press enter key means they display your system computer name. Localhost. Present system computer name is localhost. You want to see full computer name is host name space -f in small letters, enter. That is the full computer name localhost. Now what I want to do is I want to set one proper computer name. In which system you are going to install HANA database, in that system, first you want to set one proper computer name. Now I show how to set proper computer name to that HANA database system. Okay. What is the command? Means vi space /etc/hosts. That is the command first we want to go. vi space /etc/hosts. Enter. Now here, press I button on your keyboard. Means you want to type anything, means insert, press I. They're telling insert. Now here, our mouse is here. Use down arrow on your keyboard. Use down arrow on your keyboard. Okay, here, first what they asking, first you enter the IP address. Okay, I'm entering IP address 192.168.0.179. I enter the IP address. After entering IP address, what they telling, make space between them. Press tab key. One time, press tab key on your keyboard. Here, don't press space bar. Here, don't press space bar, press tab key. Okay. Now we want to enter the full computer name. Full computer name. vhcall HDB DB. vhcall HDB DB dot dummy dot no domain. In company domain server is there. Domain server name is dummy.no-domain. Dummy.no-domain is the domain server name. vhcall HDB DB is the full computer name. Host name plus domain name is equal to fully qualified domain name. Fully qualified domain name. Fully qualified domain name are also called as full computer name. Fully qualified domain name is host name plus domain name is equal to fully qualified domain name. After, once again, make space. Press tab key on keyboard and enter short host name. Short host name is vhcall HDB DB. vhcall HDB DB. Now we want to save. Press escape button on your keyboard. Shift semicolon WQ, that special symbol. That is the option to save. Enter. It is saved. Now vi space /etc/hostname is the command. And press enter key on keyboard. There we enter short name. Press I button on your keyboard to insert. There we enter short name vhcall HDB DB. vhcall HDB DB. Now we want to save. Escape. Shift to semicolon WQ, that special symbol. We want to save and press enter key. It is saved. Now we set one proper computer name successfully. After restart the system only, the computer name will be changed. So now present here we saw host name. When we type host name, enter localhost. When we type host name space -f, enter localhost. Okay. After restart the system only, the computer name will be changed. There is a command init space 6 is the command. init space 6 is the command. Enter. Here it is disconnected. Okay, I close this one. Now here we saw it is restarting. Here it is restarting. Why I restart means after restart the system only, the computer name will be changed. That's why I restart the system. Okay, here, click not listed and enter here username. My username is root in small letters. I'm entering username root and press enter key. Here I want to enter my root password root.123. Enter. Okay, so we successfully logged into the Linux OS. Now I go here. Now once again double click this folder and double click this file to open and close this folder. Mobile stream is opening. Mobile start local terminal. Okay, now we want to connect SSH space root at the rate of 192.168.0.179. Enter. Root password is root.123. Enter. Okay, now we type hostname command. Enter. Okay, I type here clear. Type hostname command. Hostname. Enter. vhcall HDB DB. Now we want to type hostname space -f. Enter. vhcall hdbdb.dummy.no domain. It's clear. We set one proper computer name to that system. It's clear.